Hello everyone, welcome to Spin Size Bootcamp series on CVP Call Studio. Today we are going to talk about Cisco dCloud. It's a very important and very useful platform. It's used generally for virtual demonstration and the creating virtual labs. And the Cisco lab resides in the Cisco Cloud, and hence the name Cisco dCloud. So it's hosted on one of Cisco's data centers, and you, once in the environment, can do tests. You can demonstrate your application to the clients, and you can run and experiment with different virtual labs. So to log into Cisco dCloud, what you have to do is you go to Google and type Cisco dCloud. Go to the first link that appears. Log in using your SpinSci or Cisco credentials. Once you've logged in, it will ask you to, select a data center where it will show you all the applications and relevant data that's hosted on that data center. I've chosen the US East as my data center, and you can see it here, RTP, and you can also choose US West, and the other options are here as well. So if you go to My Hub, here you will be able to see your sessions. And using your sessions, you can schedule sessions, or someone who has an account associated with the dCloud can create one for you. If you log into these sessions, so when I say it's a virtual lab and it's used for demonstration, it means it has every component which is like needed and is a part of contact center enterprise. And Here, if you go and see in the details, you'll be able to see all these numbers. These numbers, when dialed, they point to certain applications which are residing in our VXML server, which is in the CVP server. So these are the numbers. As you can see, you can call these numbers and find the applications and see how the call is flowing for them. It's a good learning exercise. So if you go to this workstation right here and you go to remote desktop, you have to first RDP it to the Cisco server using, let me show you. It takes some time to load. Okay, so you have to use mremote ng. Click on it. Once this opens, you'll be presented with the choice to enter different servers. If you go to CVP, this is our CVP server. It has Cisco Call Studio. It has voice XML server where our application reside. If you go to AWHTS TTS, and you have the administrative tools here, and if you go into the administrative tools, through script editor you can see the ICM scripts for the applications which are residing in our CVP server, and how ICM makes different decisions for a call which comes in based on the information that is passed along and based on the intent of the caller. You can see here the Nuance also. Nuance is a third-party server we use to recognize as a recognizer in our IVR applications. Um, this is our peripheral gateway. We use peripheral gateway because different peripherals have different formats, and it makes it easier for them to communicate and exchange information. Going back to CVP, so yeah, so this is CVP. So it's a good exercise if you go to different and like if you go to the web browsers. Here you will be able to see different Cisco applications, Cisco Unified Operating System Administrator. You will be able to see Cisco Unified Intelligence Center, and if you log in, Because it's a remote connection, it sometimes works very slowly, but you will be you'll get used to it. So yeah, log into different uh, applications, different administrative tools residing in these browsers, see what they have to offer, see how the applications are being hosted. It's a good learning exercise. Go and explore everything that's in there, and yeah, see you in the next video.